Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we are going to be showing you this 10-piece carbide tip masonry drill bit set. This is made by a company called Routerbitmall, and their website is just that, routerbitmall.com. So what they do is they send me products to test, and if I like it, I recommend it to my audience, and I show you guys what it looks like, test it out. So I already tested these drill bits and I really do like them. They're a great price, and you get 10. We'll go over the different sizes you get right now. So you can see you get 2. They go from 5/32 all the way up to a 1/2 inch, and they give you 2 of the 5/32. They give you 2 of the 3/16. Then they give you 3 of the 1/4 inch bits. Then they give you a single 5/16. Then they give you a 3/8, and then finally the 1/2 inch drill bit right here. So you get a lot of drill bits for a very good price. I think right now they are around $25. And if you use promo code Matt, you also are going to get an extra 5% off of that. So I will put a link on where you can pick up these drill bits if you like them. If you think there's something you're going to be able to use, check that link out and it'll take you right there. Promo code Matt will give you 5% off. So we'll get right into this demonstration showing you, kind of how they perform, what they look like, and how well they drill. So we're just going to be drilling into this paver that I had laying around that I wasn't using. Just kind of a good example of, something that's masonry, but these are also rated for ceramic and tile. It even says metal on it. So, we're just going to be doing a simple example on a paver. So we're going to be using this 5/16, and you can see here another nice thing about them, they have the size etched into them. And so we're just going to be putting this into my DeWalt brushless drill, and then we'll be going over the settings that I recommend. So you can see here, these are our torque settings. So I always recommend, if you're going through any sort of masonry, any really hard material where you're using a carbide tipped drill bit like this, then I recommend going onto the hammer function. The only downfall with that is a lot of drills don't have that. The more expensive drills will have this hammer mode. But if you don't have it, you could just turn your torque setting all the way up. So you can see mine goes up to 11. So we'll show you it on 11, and then we'll show you it on the actual hammer function that I do recommend if your drill has it. So we'll just show you what it looks like on the highest torque setting first. Okay, and you can see it does take some time to get through. That's not necessarily the drill bit, that's mainly just the torque. So we'll show you what it looks like with the hammer function engaged, and I am on speed 3. If you have, a drill with a bunch of different speeds, I recommend just cranking it all the way up when you're going through any sort of masonry material. So now we'll show you what it looks like with the hammer function, and we're just going to kind of quiet the video down when I start the drill, because when it goes into this mode, it's like a very whiny noise that a lot of you aren't going to like. So I'm just going to quiet the video down for that, and we'll show you what that looks like. Okay, and you can see how much quicker that went through with the hammer function. And I did test these bits out before I started this video just to make sure they were high quality, and I don't want to recommend anything that I wouldn't personally use, and these are very high quality, and you get them for a really great deal. If you were to go to a big box store and pick up something similar, you would spend a lot more money. Like just a 1/2 inch carbide tipped bit is pretty expensive at a big box store. So you get a bunch of bits and for a really great deal. And they come with this nice case. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, be sure to check out that Routerbit link that I have in the description and in the comments that'll take you right to these bits. Also, make sure you use promo code 5 for a little bit extra off. It gives you 5% off. And yeah, just make sure you reach out with any questions. I'll get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tool and DIY videos if you aren't already subscribed. Now guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.